Alright guys, we're back. Today I have a pistol that was loaned to me by my cousin Robert. It's a Smith & Wesson Victory, and it is a very nice pistol. In the hands of the owner, Mr. Robert Dale, he's hard to beat with it, so hopefully I'll do it justice. Let's see how it does with the Federal 550 and the 36 grain, Winchester 333s and the 36, Norma Tac 22 in the 40 grain, American Eagle in the 40 grain, and the CCI standard velocity target. As always, we'll start left, top left with the Federal. Very, very windy today, as usual, so that variable's still the same. Target moving about 4 or 5 inches left and right. Matches the shape of my hand, actually, so that may steady it up. Okay, let's see what the Federals do, top left. Can't tell how to hit it. Man, that's a good feeling pistol. I love that pistol. We go on to the Winchester. Top right target on the Winchesters. The old Norma Tac 22. That nothing has really liked that well. Yep. Some of them shot it okay. That will be center target. Couldn't tell. American Eagle. You can tell it's windy. We'll shoot these on the bottom left. American Eagle. And last but not least, the old CCI standard velocity. back in there. Okay, bottom right, CCI target. All right, let's go up and see what they did. That thing's a shooter. We've not got anything over 3/4 an inch. The Federal 550s, it shot that about 3/4. The Winchester, it shot that probably a little under 3/4, between half 3/4. It actually liked the Norma Tech 22. American Eagle, it shot it 1/4 inch. And the CCI target, it liked them very well. I'd call that a little under 1/4. So with the S&W Victory, we're going in with the CCI target. See you back out during the competition.